Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix fail to download or apply critical settings in Roblox. Right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And first up, you want to find your date and time. Right click on it. Right here at the bottom right, click on adjust date and time. Now make sure that both set time zone automatically and set time automatically is or are enabled. And then once that's enabled, scroll down and click on sync now. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, close this one. Go to find your search bar and type down % local app data %. Again, % local app data %. Click on it and find Roblox. Double click on it and find versions. Click on it and just delete it. Okay? Wait for it. Close this one and find CMD right here in your search bar. CMD or command prompt. Click on run as administrator. Hit on yes. And here just type down ipconfig space / flush DNS. Hit enter. I'm sorry, ipconfig space / flush DNS. Enter. netsh space winsock space reset. Enter. netsh space int space IP space reset. Enter. And finally, just restart your computer. And once your computer boots up, just open up your favorite browser and just re-download. Okay, Roblox. Download Roblox right here. So just download the launcher or straight up play from the web browser. That will just automatically ask you to download the Roblox application. Okay, so just click on save, install it, and once the installation process is done, play a game, and you should be good to go. That is how you fail to download or apply critical settings in Roblox.